Most dangerous virus apps to have that risky Roblox account. Let's get in. First, fake Roblox mode menus and exploit tools. Names like Roblox Hack Injector, Synapse X Free Download, KRNL Unlimited, 90% are laced with keyloggers or Trojans. They promise free Robux or admin powers, they usually deliver malware instead. Number 2. Free Robux generators. Any app or site claiming unlimited Robux is lying. They often trick you into logging in with your Roblox credentials, then your account is gone, inventory stolen, password changed. Number 3. Third-party Roblox Premium Unlocker apps. These promise you free Builders Club or premium perks. They usually hijack your device permissions, steal cookies, and can even mess with your mobile banking if you have it linked. 4. Suspicious browser extensions. Things like Roblox Plus Plus, RBX Vault, BT Roblox unofficial hacks. If it's not from the official Chrome web store with tons of legit reviews, run. Bad extensions can read your Roblox cookies and send them to scammers. And lastly, unofficial Roblox chat tools. Some sketchy Discord bots and mobile Roblox chat apps claims they will boost your gamer friend list. They often fish for login info or spread malicious links. If you consider these points, you're gonna avoid most dangerous virus apps. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.